Hello friends, now we are seeing rectification of errors. For the rectification of errors, you will be given a paragraph of prose from your any source, not necessarily from your textbook. You are supposed to edit this paragraph by identifying and correcting the errors. The errors would be of the sentence structure level. Mostly wrong verbs forms based on tenses, word formats, prepositions, conjunctions, and other parts will be given. It will be only wrong word and not the entire construction. Therefore, read the paragraph minutely and find out where from the above mentioned areas the error lies. Here some such specimens have been given for your guidance. Study them carefully and practice more from other sources on your own. See the example, then you realize. See, first given the subject was is there life after death, then THI are not coming, THERE coming. Socrates was inclined to think so, inclined not coming, inclined coming, but he keep his mind open and listen, keep not kept is there. In this paper, to fill in the blanks given after a line. First, that is, you have to write incorrect part there, the written error, and in second that you have to write correct part. For example, you see, then in but he keep his mind open and listen, then keep you have to write in first, fill in the blanks, error, and in correction you have to write kept. Thoughtful to the objection of his students, then thoughtful you have to write in error, and correction you have to write thoughtfully. Who took the oppose you have to write in error, and opposite you have to write in correction. Socrates kept calm, not calmly, calm you have to write in error and calm you have to write in, calmly you have to write in error and calm you have to write in correction. His emotions influence his thinking. Influence not there, influence is there, influence you have to write in error and influence, second one that you have to write in correction. See second. One evening Maggie said that Roy's teachers sent not coming, had sent coming, so send you to write in error and had sent you to write in correction. He hasn't done his homework, hasn't not coming, hadn't coming, hasn't you to write in error, hadn't you to write in correction. Roy had said if he would have to tear up, if not coming, that coming, so you have to write if in error and that in correction. To mix in rubbish behind the garage, in not coming, with coming. Maggie continued, the teacher says that no child, any, that means no not coming, any coming, no you have to write in error and any you have to write in correction. Who would take out such ridiculous story? Make out, not coming but make up coming. Must disturb, must be disturbed, passive voice is there, so be in third form. Third one, the queen was in a wreck, she told the king if not coming, that coming. You see, the person was in a wreck, she told it that coming. She had seen the first by her own eyes, with her own eyes coming, by not coming. Third one, she heard it laugh, not laughter. He would make inquiries. The last morning he told, last not next, his wazir that his wife had told him and ordered, so what coming, that not coming. Him to investigate, he told him to be ready with a satisfied not satisfactory is there. that you have to write mounts or he should be prepared. Prepared not coming, be is that past participle, so prepared coming. Clear? Like this you have to write. The loss of course can be most than social, more coming, most not coming, more than comparative degree is there. Consider the case of a clerk work in not coming, working in coming. An airline office who had increasing coming, who had increasing difficulty to understand his customers, in understanding his customer, to understand not, in understanding his customer, he frequently misunderstood vital information. Misunderstood coming, misunderstand not coming, past tense is that, so second form coming, misunderstood. Same as dates and times of travel, you know. He known his job, that is not proper, he knew his job was in jeopardy, past tense is there, so new coming. The farmer and the boy hence took all precautions. The farmer and the boy hence not coming, thus took all precautions. But the leopard was a clever bird. Beast, leopard is not a bird, beast. One night it went to the farmer's house, it shook the door too, shook coming. It shook the door. Upon it went to the farmer's house, it shook the door to open it. Wood in the chain, dropped in not coming, for coming, down coming, and task to not coming, in place of to, for coming. Stone rolled by and the door was open, away coming in place of it, so that you realize if you do it properly. Number 6, I love a river of India, a not coming, the rivers of India, because all the rivers then plural form the coming. And I should like to explore, likes not coming, like coming, you know, with the modal auxiliaries s or as not there, only main verb coming. To explore them from end by end not coming, end to end coming, and to go back deep in the down with history, and to go back deep in not coming, into. History, down with history, of coming, was a procession of, processions not coming, procession coming, plural form not there, man and woman of culture and civilization, women, because plural form is there, men and women, that you have to write. So do the observation, we have seen these 6 that we should keep in mind. Another course, whom not coming, that coming, but sometime not somehow, managed to pass was economics. I went to that class straightly not coming, straight coming. From the botany class coming to in place of to form, which didn't help me some in understanding, some not coming, any in understanding, neither subject. I used to get them mixed up, either coming, either subject, I used to get them mixed up either, but not as mixed up as the other, another coming, the other not coming. my economic class which came there, who came there direct from the physics laboratory. So if we have seen this particular 7 ranks, the particular 1 point, that how to write, that I have given, I will give you in next particular lecture so that you realize. Clear? So prepare it properly and learn by heart. Okay? This type of mistakes you should pay attention, read carefully and prepare properly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.